supercar. Let's see, new brakes. I don't know if you can see them through there. Steel rims, I don't really show much, but yeah, new pads and rotors. Check this out, new handles. Outside. Inside, this one was broken too. Other side too. New pair of tires. If you go on the interior, actually cleaned up decent. Cleaned it up a little bit. Let's put a new stereo head unit. Unfortunately, taking this out to put the new head unit, it just broke to hell and back. So, oh well. What else? Oh yeah, speakers. Brand new speakers. You can kind of see them right there. Both sides. They were trash. Same for the rears. Oh, here's the old one. Look at that. That's how they looked. Here they are. Speakers from Walmart. Not bad. And of course, again, pulling all this trim panel, it kind of broke right here. But, yep. What else did I do to this car? Brake stereo, slave cylinder. Oh yeah, valve cover gasket. It was leaking. Spark plugs. Hard to tell. See it right there. That's a new head gasket. I mean, valve cover gasket. Of course, a new battery. It's all in some good shape. I just figure I'm gonna update on this, getting a piece of shit, make it halfway decent, and now it's a car that I'm not too ashamed to drive. The stick shift is fun to drive. Speaking of the motor is good. There's no smoke, no burning oil, nothing like that. The clutch is decent. It shatters when it's cold, but 125,000 miles, and it's probably the factory clutch, so that's pretty good considering. And other than that, it's in actually decent shape. I took off those ugly seat covers, and yeah, what else? Yeah, cleaned up the center console the best I could. Can always do better. Yeah, there's Hyundai supercar, Accent 2007.